Hey there, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing community of beauty lovers. Today, I am so excited to share with you all a fantastic beauty product that has completely changed the game for me, the 48 PCS Makeup Sponge Blender Beauty Egg Cosmetic Puff. Now, I know what you are thinking, why do I need another makeup sponge, right? But trust me, this one is a game-changer. Made from high-quality latex material, these sponges are super soft and perfect for applying concealer cream, foundation powder, and blush. The best part? You get 4 or 8 pieces in a set, so you'll always have a backup on hand. I can't stress enough how important it is to have the right tools in your beauty arsenal, and these sponges are an absolute must-have. They blend makeup seamlessly, leaving your skin looking flawless and airbrushed. Plus, the unique egg shape makes it easy to reach all the contours of your face. Let's talk about the value here. For the price of a single high-end makeup sponge, you're getting 4 or 8 pieces in a set. That's unbeatable, so if you're ready to take your makeup game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out the 48 PCS Makeup Sponge Blender Beauty Egg Cosmetic Puff. You can find the link to purchase in the description box below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Until next time, stay beautiful.